Let's do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A36. I'm gonna show you what is inside, what accessories can be found inside. So let's get right into it. Let's open the box. There we go. So this is how the box looks like inside at first glance. So of course we have our phone and the paper box. So I'm gonna move the phone to the left for now. I'm gonna take out this paper box. Now if we take a look over here at the back, we have the tool, the ejector tool for SIM trays. And we're gonna open the paper box now. And let's check what we can get inside. Yeah, so not much, it seems. Just the USB-C cable. It is USB-C on both ends, so standard for Samsung devices. And some papers. So really not much. Alright, so now let's take out the phone. Oh, there is one more thing. We have another paper box here, the start guide. But the phone itself, let's take out this paper. There we go. And this is how it looks like. So of course, the screen is flat. At the top we have two holes. I tried to check what they are, but I couldn't find any information, so I assume one of them is the microphone, the other might be just air vent hole or a speaker. Then on the left side of the phone there is nothing here. On the right side we have the power button and volume buttons, of course. And then at the bottom it looks like this. We have the charging port, USB-C port, the speaker over here on the right side. I assume one of this is a microphone, maybe both of them are, I'm not sure. And here we have the SIM tray where we can insert the SIM card. And at the back, of course, we have three cameras with the flashlight. And we have the glass back, which feels quite nice. And that is pretty much it. This is how the phone looks like, and this is what we can get inside the box. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!